In this video, we are going to talk about how to target your ideal audience in 2024. For those who are new to my channel, my name is Divyang and I am running Facebook ads from 2020 and able to generate more than 40 million in revenue for my clients. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you get some good quality of content and make your Facebook ad running experience better. So for those who wish to work with me or have any kind of query, they can reach out to me using the link in description or DM me on Instagram. I'm happy to answer you guys. Before I tell you my exact strategy how to target your ideal audience on Facebook, and I want you to know how Facebook ads work. When you create an Facebook ad, what kind of things happen in backend and how Facebook know what kind of people you are reaching out to. So let's jump into my screen. When you launch an ad, Facebook read each and everything, whether it's a video or image or carousel. They know each and everything about that ad. They will read your headline, they will read the description, they will read the primary text, this whole thing, whole content of the video or images. Like this is an example of an ad, apple cider vinegar gummies. They will read each and everything that is written on that ad. That's why if you see sometime that people do false information on website, and their ad is saying something else and they are putting out some different kind of information on their website, their ad gets rejected. So because of the false information, Facebook wants to have a best experience while scrolling their Facebook feed. So they don't want any kind of false information on the ad or either on the website. So it is always recommended to put same things that are on the ad and on the landing page. So let's see this example. This is a apple cider vinegar gummies. So what happens when you launch a Facebook ad? So you launch an ad, Facebook will read each and everything. Like, this is a supplement, right? It is targeting health and wellness, people who are interested in health and wellness. This will improve gut health, promotes gut health, immunity booster, boost in immunity, better taste. This product is providing better taste than others. This will connect into the weight loss, assist with the weight loss. So Facebook will create these categories of your ad. Another example, looking for a deep sleep, sleep like a baby tonight, restful sleep, drift into deep, rejuvenating slumber of effortlessly, calming effects, consistent sleep pattern, delicious flavor, transform your night into heaven of peaceful rest, say goodbye to tossing and turning, help and hello to blissful sleep. So what will Facebook do is Facebook will see all these things, primary text, headline, image, what image is saying. So what Facebook will do is will categorize your ad into these categories: sleep improvement, better taste, weight management, brain functions, better value because it is giving 30 servings for 0.6 per night, supplements. Even if somebody doing each and everything same to this ad, they created an exact same copy, but they are providing 30 serving for 0.4 per night or 0.5 per night. Facebook will think of that ad as the better asset to the Facebook because it is providing much better value. So these all things matter, each and everything, what kind of colors you are using. So Facebook will categorize your ad in different groups. So whenever you launch an ad, see what kind of audience you have. If you have a younger audience, younger face on the ad, if you have older age audience, try to create an ad with older people so that people can connect with it and give best experience to the Facebook. So when you launch these ad, Facebook has categorized you in different categories. So then what's going to happen is, after reading all the stuff on your ad, Facebook will start showing to the people who like supplements, right? People who are into supplements, people who are searching for apple cider vinegar supplements on website. Health and wellness, people who are into health and wellness, gut health, immunity booster, better taste. They all fall into the health and wellness category. Weight loss, people who are into weight loss or weight management, There it will show it to the different kind of people. So these are the different categories. It really doesn't matter the people who want to do weight loss, they are into health and wellness. You can think of it as a like they are into health and wellness, but actually they are not into health and wellness, right? People who just want to like supplements, right? They're already into health and wellness, or they want to lose weight, or they want to improve their current lifestyle. They also use supplements. So what's going to happen is when you launch this ad, Facebook will show it to 1,000 people or 100 people. I don't know the exact number, but it will create a group of people who are interested in those categories. And then after showing it to 1,000 people, Facebook will get to know that these people are liking the ad, these people are not liking the ad. Then again, after showing it to the another group of people, Facebook will again show it to the people who like this ad and who didn't like the ad. So this way Facebook will build your audience. First your CPM will be higher, or CTR is higher, link clicks are expensive. But as soon as you let the Facebook run a couple of period of time, you will see the CPMs get lower, your link clicks get lower. Whatever the niche you are into, know your ideal audience. Okay, create a customer avatar and see what kind of things their people like, what kind of people who will buy those things. I have a client who is selling baby bags, right, in US. So they were just showing the bags to the people, but I suggested them to put a mother carrying that bag, right, so that people can resonate it, and instantly the people start liking that ad, and their revenue increased by 30%. So to get the most out of the Facebook ads, you need to create a relevant ad to the person whom you are targeting. It really matters what kind of ad you are putting on Facebook. So my suggestion is go broad, choose choose all the genders, don't put any kind of interest or custom audience on the ad set level, and let the Facebook do the best judgment for your ads. When you create broad ad sets, and put your these ads in those ad set, you will never have a ad fatigue. I have seen multiple ad account that people are saying that their ads have been fatigued and they are not responding to the people. It can be a really bad ad, or it can be older ad, but there is very less chance until unless you're reaching daily on million people. Don't worry about the ad fatigue. Create these ads in such a manner that you resonate with all the people. That's why it is recommended to go broad, so that your ad never fatigue. I hope you like this video. If you have any kind of doubt, please put it in the comment section or message me on Instagram. I will happy to reply.